Greetings YouTube, Elaine Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. And today we want to bring you guys along for something that's very exciting to us. May not be that exciting to you guys, but it's definitely exciting to us. Today we're going to be harvesting our very first sugar baby watermelon from our 3-foot by 6-foot Huegel Cultire Garden Planter that we named Sweet Baby Red, as suggested by Sharon Harris of Tallahassee, Florida. We had a total of about 16 melons to set on our plants and form up. We do indeed have sugar baby watermelons here, and on today we're going to harvest our very first watermelon. I'm going to take you guys around the planter and show you the different melons that we have on the vines, and show you the one that we're going to harvest, and show you why we're going to go ahead and harvest this melon today. So hang tight. Indeed, YouTube, our 3-foot by 6-foot Huegel Cultire Garden Planter that we named Sweet Baby Red, and let's take a look at what Sweet Baby Red has going on out here today, YouTube. You guys see that? Yeah, we have a total of about 16 melons here on our plants that actually did set and begin to form on our vines. Our vines are indeed nearing the end of their life stages, so we know that we won't have any additional melons to set on our vines. So we're going to take you in and show you what we got going on, and show you what we're going to harvest today. You guys see that? We're very excited and pleased with the way our melons performed in our yard this year. A little tiny guy down in there, if you guys can see that. Another one down in there. Another one down in there. One right here. One right here. Got one right there. One down in there. One over in there. You guys can see that behind those leaves. One down here. Where'd that guy go? Right there. That guy there. You guys can see that. Little tiny guy over in the planter. Another little tiny guy over in there. But today, YouTube, we're actually going to harvest this one. This is one of the first melons to form on our vines. And if you look at all of the pigtails on the vine, prior to where the watermelon sits on the vine, all the way back to the base of the stem, all of those little pigtails are indeed dry and brown and crispied up, if you can see that. That's all these pigtails going back that way toward the vine. So we know that this vine would not produce any more blossoms back that way towards the plant, and if there's any brown pigtails on this side of this melon going out toward the end of the vine, this plant won't set any more blossom wherever there's a brown pigtail at. So at any rate, our pigtail right here at the melon, it is indeed brown and dry. Our little spoon leaf is indeed brown and dry. The pigtail on the vine following that one right there, it is indeed brown and dry. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and harvest this watermelon, and we're going to turn it over and show you that we do have that patented yellow spot on the bottom of this melon, so we know that this melon is indeed ready to harvest. We're going to go ahead and do that today. Inside, cut it open, and show you guys what it looks like. Hang tight. Alright guys, this is indeed our sugar baby watermelon. We've been chilling it in the refrigerator for over an hour. I'm going to go ahead and cut it open right now and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Hang tight. Alright guys, and this is indeed what our very first sugar baby watermelon from our 3-foot by 6-foot Huegel Cultire Garden Planter is looking like. Good and red, fully formed seeds. I'm going to take a slice of this right now and see what it tastes like. Hang tight. Alright guys, we do indeed have our slice here, and we're going to take a quick bite of this right here and let you guys know what it tastes like. Hang tight. Yes, indeed, YouTube. Oh wow. Yes, indeed. Like I said, sweet and juicy watermelon. Our very first sugar baby watermelon from our 3-foot by 6-foot Huegel Cultire Garden Planter. And I apologize for this crappy camera work, but that is indeed what it looks like on the inside, YouTube. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and share this video with your friends and family if you don't mind. Thanks. We really would appreciate it.
I woke up early morning, way before the sunrise. Deep in my feelings, and I had you, lady, on my mind. Ain't got to tell me, cause I know true love is hard to find. But I miss your voice, I haven't heard it in a long time. I wonder where you are, and got me wondering where you been. More than my lover, you're my queen, and you're my best friend. I used to hear your heartbeat whisper to me in the wind. And now I'm praying for the day that I see you again. Wonder if you miss me, and I wonder if you feel my pain. You being distant is enough to make me go insane. Every time I close my eyes, I smile because I see your face. And it makes me wish that I could wrap you up in my embrace. Said that you love me, but you disappear without a trace. You are my heart, my lioness, no one can take your place. Please help me understand, I'm falling and I'm so confused. But I'm still a man and I'm about to let my heart be abused. I know the world moves on and sometimes people tend to change. But every day I wake up going through the same things. I